Okay, welcome to my backyard. Ooh, look at this cherry moya. Ooh, dragon fruit. This is antimoya. Ooh, little bit of flower and fruit. Golden berry. And on the left, this is a sisal and cherry of Rio Grande. And look, this is a pluri. And bee greens and kale. More cherry moya, peaches, more kale, guava on the left, loka, and mango grafts. Figs. White sapote. This is linguro. Oh, look at this cherry moya. It's getting big. That's a Fortuna cherry moya. Oh, look, more mangoes. And avocado there. More mangoes. Here are some mango seeds that just been put in yesterday. Blueberries. More mango. More mango. Dragon fruit. Okay, that's one loop in the backyard.